Hello learners, welcome to my third class on narration. Today I am going to discuss how the tenses can be changed while making indirect speech. You know, to make any speech indirect, we have to know the rule of tense, because without changing the form of verb, we cannot make any speech indirect. That's why we have to know the rules of it. First one is, if we see the repeating verb is past indefinite tense, only then the reported speech will be changed. That means the verb of reported speech or the tense of reported speech will be changed, otherwise not. Let's say, if the repeating verb is past indefinite tense, past tense, the reported speech will be changed as follows. If the repeating verb is past tense, the reported speech will be changed as follows. Present indefinite tense, will be past indefinite tense, in indirect. For example, Rana said, I buy a book. If we look at the example, we can see here repeating verb is said. This is the past form of verb. That means repeating verb is past tense. If you look at the speech, the verb is buy. This is the present form of verb. That's why the speech is present indefinite tense. In case of making indirect, we have to change this. We have to change the speech make it into past indefinite tense. That means the speech will be past indefinite tense because the repeating verb is past tense. So whenever we want to make any change, we want to make any speech indirect, then we have to follow the repeating verb. Direct and indirect. Rana said that I will be changed according to the speaker. That means here speaker is Rana, because instead of Rana here will be he, because Rana is a noun, he is a proper noun here. So buy will be passed from here, bought a book. We can see that the speech of present indefinite tense has become past indefinite tense. So if we find repeating verb is past tense, then only we can change the speech. If past indefinite tense will be past perfect. For example, I said, I bought a pen. Direct, indirect. I said that if we look at the example, here we can see the speech is past indefinite tense. Then in case of making indirect, it will be past perfect. I had bought a pen. The other changes of tense, if you want to remember easily, then we have to follow some short technique. That means am is are will be was were. Am is are will be was were, and was where will be had been. Have, has, will be, had. Do not, does not, will be, did not. Will be, did not. For example, Rana said, I am fine. Direct, indirect. Rana said that he was fine. If you look at the example, here am has become was, because repeating verb here is past tense. As the repeating verb is past tense, so we have to change the verb of the speech. Here the verb of the speech is am. It has become was in indirect speech. So here we can see am is are will be was where will be had been, have has will be had, do not and does not will be did not, and did not will be did will be had plus verb 3. If you find did in the speech, direct speech, it will be had, and then after had there will be past participle form of verb. For example, I said I didn't see her. If you look at the example, we can see here the verb, repeating verb is said. This is past form of verb, and here the repeated speech, I did not see her. Here did not is a past form of verb, and it will be had in case of making indirect. I said that I hadn't seen her. Did did has been changed into had, and after had the verb always be third form. If we see here, this is a present form of verb, and it has become third form. Can will be could, may will be might, shall will be, should or would, will be, would, must will be, had to, must will be, had to. And for example, Runa said, I can walk quickly. If you look at the example here, the repeating verb is past tense, then the verb of repeated speech will be changed. Here can will be could in case of making indirect speech. Runa said that I will be changed according to the speaker. Runa, the subject from Runa will be she could. Can has become could here. If you look at here can, and in case of indirect making indirect, can has become could. She could walk quickly. Past perfect tense and past perfect continuous, past perfect continuous will not be changed. That means if the reported speech is past perfect tense or past perfect continuous tense, then the speech will not be changed. For example, Robin said, I had seen my friend. If we look at the example, we can see that the speech here is past perfect tense. So in case of making indirect, the speech will not be changed, only the person will be changed. You have to know the person, you have to always change the person. That means person will always be changed. Robin said that I will be changed according to the speaker Robin. Here I will be he, then had been will not be changed here because this is the past perfect tense. So there will be no change of past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense. That's in my will be changed because this is the possessive form of first person. So we have to change according to the speaker. The speaker is Robin. So here will be his. Here my will be his friend. So dear learners, we have already learned how the tenses can be changed in case of making indirect. In my next class, I will discuss the change of sentence. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.